Do you know how comfortable outdoor showers can be? I'm confident that you need one. Get ready to revolutionize your outdoor shower experience with the all-new Fogatti InstaShower GoPro. When you play outdoors, it's inevitable to get dirty or covered in sweat. But don't worry, InstaShower GoPro will take care of this problem for you. With its portable and easy-to-use design, setting up the InstaShower GoPro is a breeze. It has a built-in pressure valve, and you can also connect it to a larger propane tank using our adapter hose. Refreshing showers anytime, anywhere. InstaShower GoPro comes with a built-in 5,000 mAh rechargeable battery, which can operate 80 minutes. What if you forget to recharge it? Take it easy. InstaShower GoPro can be connected to a car or a portable power station, ensuring usability anywhere. Tailoring shower experience to perfection. By rotating the knob, you can easily adjust the water temperature to your desired level. The shower head features both a water flow setting and a spray pattern setting, giving you the freedom to choose between gentle or strong water flow according to your preference. With a heating capacity of 22,000 BTU, InstaShower GoPro heats water within 10 seconds, truly revolutionizing your outdoor shower experience. Contributing to a greener planet is also a part of our mission. The thoughtful design of the copper heat exchanger and stainless steel burner grate ensures greater efficiency in saving propane energy. For example, a 1-pound propane gas tank can provide enough hot water for 5 to 6 adults to take a shower. More than that, by pressing the switch on the shower head, you can easily pause shower without repeatedly turning the machine on and off, saving water and electricity, ensuring a safe and worry-free experience. InstaShower GoPro comes with a tilt switch that instantly shuts off the shower if it tilts. Additionally, the water flow sensor will stop the shower automatically to prevent dry burning when it detects insufficient water flow. For added safety, InstaShower GoPro is constructed with flame-retardant materials, minimizing the risk of fire hazards. Designed for multiple uses. After a picnic, simply place the shower head to the holder and it transforms into a convenient utensil rinsing station. Furthermore, InstaShower GoPro comes with a comfortable pet shower head. It's also a great helper for cleaning your furry friends. Level up your outdoor experience with Fogatti InstaShower GoPro. Get yours today.